Well, it's a Canadian project to help the vulnerable half a world away. You can help design a better world. And the woman behind the movement, Dr. Liza, joins us with all the details. Good morning. Nice to see you.
Good morning.
So
Tell
me about this initiative, what you've come up with.
Okay, so in 2019, I was introduced to a designer of a Nigerian brand called the Woman brand. So at the beginning of this year, he actually messaged me to let me know that in Nigeria right now, a lot of doctors, nurses, healthcare workers didn't actually have PPE. So he wanted to auction off a piece of his artwork in order to raise money. And I thought, that's amazing. I would love to help, but maybe we can do this on a bigger scale. We both design wearable art. So how about if we take a design and put it on items of clothing that people can purchase, and then all proceeds from this will go towards purchasing PPE. That way we can do it on a much larger scale, and this can be an ongoing thing, because while in Canada, we're already at the stage a year later where people are getting vaccinated, and in Nigeria, they're still worrying about getting PPE. So if we can get enough PPE for the healthcare providers, not only will that prevent them from getting sick, but then it can also help prevent transmission. So this is a way to save lives, and we can't do it on a small scale.
I love this idea. I mean, you are taking your expertise, teaming up with someone else and their expertise, and doing what you can for folks on the front lines a world away. How much are you hoping to raise?
Well, I'm hoping that by the end of February, we can reach $10,000. And so far we've raised close to $3,000, and that has already purchased us masks, face shields, gloves, and we've already started distribution. So what I do is at the end of every month, I send the funds directly to Nigeria so that we can purchase the PPE, and then we distribute them right away. And that way, we're not wasting time till we reach a certain amount. It's ongoing, and as soon as we raise a certain amount of money, it gets sent to Nigeria and the PPE is purchased.
That's phenomenal. What kind of products are there? We saw a few pictures there. Describe them to us.
Yeah, so the first one is a t-shirt, and all the products are ethically made and comfortable, right? Because we all need some comfort right now. So, and locally printed in Toronto. So we have the t-shirt, we have nice supportive art support socks, which also have the design, and then notebooks. And then I am wearing the sweatshirt right now. So a nice comfy cotton sweatshirt, and that's what I'm wearing now. And it has matching sweatpants, so you can wear the whole set together.
I love it. Can you explain to us a little bit more about the design? Tell us a little bit more about it.
So I had actually seen this design, We Must Design a Better World, on his Instagram last year, and it really just resonated with me because there's so many people suffering, and when we think about something like a pandemic, it's not isolated to one community. It's something that spreads throughout the world. So if someone is suffering across the world or needs help across the world, and we're fine here, unless we communicate and help each other, we're not going to solve the problem. So that's where the Design a Better World comes from, especially because we are both designers and we want to design pieces that will better the world. So not only do these pieces add comfort to the purchaser's life or the people who are wearing them, but it also goes to a greater cause, and that's really saving lives by being able to purchase PPE. And I thought, with this concept, we can even design a bigger collection so that in the future, we can move even beyond PPE and supplying things like oxygen, which many hospitals and healthcare centers don't have in Nigeria. So that's something we take for granted here. We have a healthcare system where, of course, if you go to the hospital, they won't say that we don't have oxygen, so you're not going to survive. But in Nigeria, that's a common reality where if someone needs something as simple as oxygen, it's just not available.
It's really eye-opening, right? I mean, we've been so focused on our own healthcare system right here and what we have or don't have, but it's a far different scenario in other parts of the world. Dr. Liza Boga, always great to talk to you, and what an incredible initiative you've started. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me, and yeah, I hope everyone will purchase our wonderful collection.
You can go to drlizashoes.com for more information.